Today we will be answering and going over this following forum question. So just by looking at it, the VS man is a new user to the bubble. Congratulations by finding out this amazing tool. So this user cannot figure out how to move and align the text boxes to where I want them to go. So he played around a bit but couldn't figure it out. And it looks like the user has been using fixed. I think that was the main issues. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to go deeper into how to make text aligned in the repeating group. Let's try. First, let's find the repeating group and place them on the group. And data source, I'm going to use sample data, which we created our plugin for this. Okay, sample data, English users. Voila. And let's do this. Now let's add text field into the repeating group and add one more, add one more, add one more. Okay. Now when we preview this, it's something like this, right? Which you don't really want. You want this to be in a row. So you make a row container. See, now you put it in the container and make this wide spread and put each information into each text so we can test if it's working. Okay. So just by putting into the row format, now the text is aligned. But sometimes, some use cases, you don't want this to be dynamic length. You want all the text to be aligned and start at the same space. Then let's try this. So ID, it's going to be number, right? So it's not gonna be too much long. So probably let's make it to 50. Yeah, sounds enough. And let's make it fixed. And this one, the name can be a little bit longer, so let's put 140, a little bit longer. Great. And the email going to be long. Some people use long email, and phone number is typically already set. Okay, let's try and have a look. Great. So now, as you can see, all the starting point is aligned. But if you want to push to the left, you can use container alignment, push to the left, and apply gap spacing between elements, because when you click this container alignment to the left, it will shrink to the left. But sometimes you want to have a little bit of space between each element. So that's when you use apply gap spacing between elements. Let's make it 16. Great. See, I hope this helps. It's not an advanced course. It's very beginning course, but I hope somebody finds it helpful. Thank you.